Hello, this is Angela Leong, and this will be Lab 2. So first we'll start off by logging on to vCenter. So after we log on, task 1 is about deploying vCenter Server Appliance using the command line. And then once we're already on the path, we're just going to check out the vCenter to deploy JSON file. And then we'll take a note of the ESXi IP, the data store, the deployment type, it's tiny, and then the new vCenter IP. Okay, and once that's done, we run the next command, which is to deploy it. And this will take about 15 to 20 minutes. And basically the deployment will be going through the JSON file to check the parameters and syntax. It'll initiate the connection to the targeted ESXi host server. It'll deploy the vCSA OVA file, and then it'll install and configure various services. Now that's done, we're going to go back to our vSphere client, and we're going to set up our new vCenter. And for task 2, we're going to be setting up the vCenter Server Appliance Management Network. And we're just going to change the name. Okay, after that, I'm going to set up the management network. So I just open the console. Once we're in, we can see the settings. If we look at configure management network, we'll see that this is the IP that we originally saw in the JSON document, as noted here. And then we're just going to disable IPv6 and set up the custom DNS suffix. So IPv6 is here. Press spacebar, enter OK, custom, and then it's vmeduc.com. We'll go ahead and save, apply changes, and restart it. It'll take about 10 minutes. Now we're going to add the license, since it's unlicensed with a temporary license. And you can achieve that going through administration and then licenses. And then once that's done, you can actually assign it to the server. For task 4, we just have to create a new data center, which is just right-clicking and new data center, and we're going to name it training. Finally, we have to add a new user called admin, and the way to do that is we have to SSH into the vCenter. And then as you see, it's done.